Welcome to my channel. Rounding whole numbers. Number 1, round 1,435 to the nearest 100. So let's identify first the place value of each digit. Ito ay ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. But wait, focus tayo sa 100 kasi ito man yung instruction. I-round off daw natin to sa nearest 100. So ito yung hundreds, right? So ito si, 435. Isasama natin yung tens and ones kasi nabilang man siya sa hundreds place. Hindi man pwede lang ilalagay natin na 4 lang. Dapat 435. So si 435, saan siya nabilong? Sa 400 ba? Or sa 500? Tingnan natin. Okay, lagyan mo natin ng indicator. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So from 400, we have 410, 420, 430, 440, 450, 460, 470, 480, 490, 500. Okay. Let's remember, if the specified place value is na fall dito sa 5, meaning dito siya belong. So if it started with 5, of course, so much more pag 6 na, 7, 8, 9. Okay? But if na-fall siya sa 4, 3, 2, 1 dito, okay, opposite. Just simply copy this base, which is 400. I-repeat ko lang, if na-fall siya sa 5, sa middle, doon siya. Pa-round up, ito naman, round down. Okay, susulat ko lang nga round up to round down. Okay, since ang 435, saan ba ang 435? Dito siya na-fall. So, simple. Susulat ang 400, but do not forget the largest digit. I mean largest place value, which is 1. Just simply copy the 1, then yung 400. So, the answer is 1,400. So when you round 1,435 to the nearest 100, the answer is 1,400. Next, number 2 naman tayo. Round 318 to the nearest 10. Okay? Nearest 10. So let's identify the place value of each digit. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. So erase natin itong sa 3 kasi focus tayo sa tens place. Kasi 10 man yung hinahanap. O syempre, idamay natin yung ones. Magkasama yan sila dapat. Si 18, So yung base nila sa 18, 2-digit man tayo sa tens place. So of course, start tayo sa 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, itong 18, saan ba siya nabilong? Sa 10 or sa 20? Okay, i-remember natin yung counting ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Diba dapat ito 5? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, remember ha, pag nabilong siya sa 5, dito on up, nasa middle siya. Of course, round up. Pag hindi siya nabilong, of course, round down. So, we're talking about the 18, hindi 15. So, 18. So, saan si 18? Yan, si 18. So, it's very obvious, no, na nabilong siya sa 20. Therefore, hindi yung 20 ang isusulat lang natin, kundi isasama yung largest na place value, which is hundreds place. Oh, do not change anymore the hundreds place kasi yung tens place lang man ang i-change natin. Okay, the answer is 320. So 318 is rounded up to 320. Okay? Next, dito tayo sa number 3. Round 724,916 to the nearest 10,000. Okay, medyo malaki-laki na to. So, identify natin ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Okay. Our digit that is in 10,000s place is 2, right? So, meaning, i-round natin yan. I-check natin kung round up ba or round down. So, si 2, isasama natin yung mga kasama niya. Si 24,916, saan ba siya nabilong? Dito ba sa 20,000 or sa 30,000? Let's find out. Let's have 21,000, 22,000, 23,000, 24,000, 25,000, 26,000, 27,000, 28,000, 29,000, of course, 3,000, 30,000 versus 20,000. Okay, see, 24,916, saan ba siya nabilong? Ito man si 24,000, right? Pero hindi siya umabot doon sa 25,000, dito lang siya. So meaning, supposed to be, pag dito siya nabilong, of course, automatic na dyan yan. Pero hindi man, nandito man siya, oh, hindi man siya umabot. So meaning, obvious na mag-round down tayo. So, do not forget to copy the largest place value given given digit that is in the largest place value, which is 700,000 naman yan. So, 7, then copy the 20,000. O, di ba? Round 724,916 to the nearest 10,000. The result is 720,000. Sana naintindihan nyo. Thank you so much.